Hi everyone, Wagwan, how are you? Welcome to beautiful Jamaica. And welcome to our family-friendly Learn Jamaican live game show, the vacation game show where hopeful vacationers take a virtual tour from the comfort of their homes that prepares them to compete online for the grand prize of an all-expenses-paid trip to the tropical paradise of Jamaica. The winner could be driving in style in a Porsche like this one on their vacation in Jamaica. You, our online audience, can vote for one wild card to give them a second chance to compete for the grand prize. I am your host, Marcus, and I am a husband, father, and an international reggae recording artiste. And what's a party without music? On stage with me is the energetic, musical, duppy-conquering disc jockey DJ Chinny. You may know my online co-host from the Meet the Showman out of Canada, Rob Bub.
Thank you, Marcus. Welcome, LJL family. Wagwan. Now, let me tell you something, folks. This Jamaican vacation game show can change your life in ways you never expected. Now, let's meet the participants who are vying for the grand prize and are joining us live from across the globe on this massive screen. It's like they're right here with us. From the USA, we have Sarah. Sarah, how are you feeling?
I'm so excited, Rob. Ready to win big.
That's what I like to hear. 15 participants joined the virtual tour online, but only 2 earned their spot in today's contest. It's up to you, the online audience, to vote for your favorite from the remaining 13 and give one a second chance at paradise. Rob, tell us more about voting.
Sure, Marcus. Viewers over 18 years, you can vote from anywhere in the world from a smartphone. You'll need to download the Learn Jamaican live app. Be sure to join the game show live each month to know when to start voting. Only 99 cents per vote. You can vote more than once.
This time, you, the online audience, got 60 seconds to submit as many votes as you can to ensure your favorite wildcard makes it into the contest for the grand prize. Let's move into the contest, Sunday. It's time to test how prepared you are to visit Jamaica. Contestants, here's how we play. Get those phones ready, open the LJL app and hold them where we can see them. Questions pop up on the big screen. You answer fast, you answer right, you get points. The faster you are, the more points you rack up. We announce today's winner, Rob. Tell the LJL family how they could be next on the Learn Jamaican live game show.
And that I shall be the celebrity. Learn, play and win online in the Learn Jamaican live game show and start the fun before you visit Jamaica. No need to study for this quiz. We will teach you all you need to know in our virtual tour before you compete. All you need is a laptop, smartphone and to book your space on. If you successfully audition online, then you pay $99 to secure your spot in the virtual tour. A member of our team will follow up with you. You could be next.
This is Marcus, signing off from the most exciting game show in the Caribbean. Stay tuned for next month's show on the second Saturday at 11 a.m. EST. I see fun and fame in your future. See you next month. Jah guide. God bless.